Part of this circuit, which included outlets and lights, would randomly stop working every half hour or so. When this specific outlet was disconnected from the wall, the outlet and another light would go on and off as the outlet was wiggled while it was outside of the box. When I would wiggle the wires inside of the box, the power would go on and off to the outlet and a light that was using power connected through the WAGO connector. I used an endoscope to look inside of the wall and noticed that the wall was about 12 inches deep. I ended up cutting a hole in the wall since there appeared to be an open junction in the middle of the wall. After cutting a hole in the wall, I found the open junction, which is seen in the pictures. As I wiggled the wire in the wall, the power went on and off. I then turned off the power and examined the wire nuts that were inside of the wall. As you can see from the picture, one of the wires was barely touching the other wires, if it was, and it did not have very much stripped back on it. This was causing the power to be intermittent when the plug was out of the wall and being wiggled, and also caused the other issues. The best solution to fix this problem would be to rewire this whole section. It was a very strange situation having a wall built inside of a wall. Thanks so much for watching.